make chapatis. So this is already cooked. Ayan, nasunog na. But it's okay. This one I mixed today in my dough machine. Yung ano pang masahe na ano machine ko. Today is February 18 and today start Ramadan in Saudi, in Dubai, in I think in Philippines also, and some Islamic countries. But here tomorrow inshallah start here. I have cubes onions and 1 piece cubes tomatoes and then 1 medium size egg, and this is what you call this, spring onions I get from up, and salt, 1 teaspoon of salt and pinch of black pepper. So I will mix all together this one. Mix natin. You can use also 2 eggs, but this is enough. 1 egg is enough. Egg omelette with cubes of onions, tomatoes, and spring onions. I make this one shawarma. So this is already hot. Oil is already hot. Now we can put now also this one. Ayan, iprito na natin. I put too much oil here, but no problem. I already changed side, both sides, so this is already cooked. Now we have to remove now this one. Then I will make hot now this chapatis or kubos or roti for my shawarma. Preheat natin. turn off na natin ang flame. Then we will put her in plate. Ano ba yung plate? Ayan. So ito na yung egg omelette. So i-roll natin. Kaya lang bigyan natin ng ketchup. Kaya lang wala ng ketchup. 3 packets. Pisilin natin. Pisil-pisilin. Lagyan natin ng ketchup para masarap. Merong konti. Wala na talaga. Ito na naman isa. Pisil-pisilin. And then I will premiere this one tomorrow or after tomorrow. Because tomorrow is already start Ramadan here. So first day of fasting tomorrow, inshallah. So but I will premiere this one on 19 tomorrow or 20. So this is my last for morning or snack, because we have to wake up early in the morning, dawn, at around 4 o'clock, because close fasting I think is before 6 o'clock. So this is my last to eat after in the whole month of Ramadan. 1 month na fasting. So ayan, i-roll na natin. Roll natin. Ayan ang aking shawarma. O, di ba? O. O, ayan ang aking shawarma. What happened this one? So ito na yung aking egg shawarma. Nirap ko ito sa baking paper. Ayan. Ayan. Tama-tama gutom ako kasi what time now? Past 12. Past 12 na. So this is my morning snack again.